This is the Pochik Sitz bath for toilet seat, a convenient basin designed for comfortable soaking as part of your personal care routine. It fits over most standard toilet seats and features a wider seating area for added comfort during use. The collapsible design makes it easy to store when you're finished, which is great if you have limited bathroom space. One feature I like is the included flusher hose, which makes it simple to add fresh water during use. It also has built-in drain holes to help manage water flow, making the overall experience more convenient. This sitz bath is designed for a variety of personal care routines, including perineal soaking and Yoni steaming, according to the product's intended use. The durable construction and thoughtful design make it easy to set up, use, and clean after each session. The blue color gives it a clean, modern look, and its lightweight design makes it easy to move and store between uses. If you're looking for a collapsible sitz bath with a wider seating area, flusher hose, and convenient storage, the Pochik Sitz bath is a practical addition to your bathroom essentials.